Good morning, students. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari from St. Michael Higher Secondary, welcoming you to e-learning platform of our school. Students, in previous video, as I started teaching you determiners, one of the most important grammatical chapters for your syllabus. Students, regarding this chapter, I have already stated what are determiners and what are the words which are generally used as determiners. In that series, we have come to know that these are the words article, a, and the demonstrative, this, that, these, those, possessive, he, her, she, her, your, my, there, are, and some other words, some, any, one, much, few, little, etc. These words are basically different from determiners. Most of them are adjectives, but in need of time, in need of want, they are used as determiners also. Regarding the usage of determiners, I have taught you the usage of a and. Now today I am going to teach you the usage of the. Students, you know that the is a definite article. It has some definite roles which generally guide its usage. I am going to give you the usage of determiners one by one. The first use of determiner the is that it is used before superlative form of an adjective. You are very much aware that an adjective has three forms. Whenever an adjective is used for the task of comparing the things, so the is definitely used before superlative form of an adjective. As for example, Ram is the best boy. Best is superlative form of good. That's why the has been used before it. Students, this rule has got one very bona fide exception, and the exception is that the may be used before comparative forms of an adjective only when two comparatives are used in the same respect, same regard, expressing contradictory points. The is used before both of the comparative forms. Example I am giving: the more you get, the more you want. It has got two clauses: the more you get, the more you want. Second example may be: the higher you go, the cooler you feel. Students, you have to keep in your mind that this use is exceptional use, and it is used in very limited area, very limited way of use. The second one is that the is used before some repeated noun in the same context. A repeated noun means the noun which is used in the same context again and again. Whenever it is repeated, the is used before that repeated particular noun. But for the first time, or an may be used according to the rule, according to the phonetics, according to the sound of that very particular noun. Example: I have a pen, the pen is red. You find it very clear: I have a pen. Here, pen is noun and a has been used according to the phonetics, according to the sound of the first letter, that is pen. But when the same pen is repeated in the same regard, the has been used. So don't forget to use the before a repeated noun, the before the noun which is repeated in the same context. Students, the is also used before the name of mountains, rivers, lake, stream, any political post, any season, etc. Examples may be there: I have not met the President of India. President is political post, the is used before that. The Himalaya lies in the boundary line of Nepal and India. Himalaya is the name of a mountain. The Ganga is a holy river of India. So these are the examples which just satisfy the need of the before them. The is used before them. But one exception is there. You cannot use before mountain range any article, especially I am talking about the. In other words, we can say that the cannot be used before the peak of the mountain. Example, we cannot use the before Mount Everest. So use the before mountain, but forget to use the before mountain peak. Students, next use is that the is also used before the name of newspaper, name of any religious book like Gita, Quran, Bible, etc. The is also used before the name of any material noun which is used relating to any particular place. In general sense, the or any other article is generally not used before material noun. Example is going to make it clear. I have gold. Gold is material noun. No article has been used. But if you relate it to India or any other place, the is definitely used before it. The gold found in India is surely pure. Students, the next rule, the next use is that the is also used before any abstract noun whenever the same noun is related to any person. Kindness is a great virtue. Here, kindness is an abstract noun. It has been made from kind, which is an adjective. But if we use kindness related to any person, the will be used. Example, the kindness that you have shown is really praiseworthy. So students, these are the important usage of the. Please keep them in mind, make them sure and make them a part of your study. Students, now I am going to make you aware of the usage of demonstrative adjectives, which are these, that, these and those. Students, here I would like to make these and that they are singular while these and those are plural. These is plural of these and those is plural of that. These and that, these and those, they are demonstrative adjectives by birth, but they are used as determiners, which is the chapter that we are studying. These and that, they are singular. They take singular noun and singular verb. Don't forget, these and that take singular noun and singular verb. The difference is that this is used for noun standing or sitting or being placed nearby, while that is used before any noun which is standing at a distance. It will make clear, this boy is my friend, that boy is my friend. If you look at both of the examples, you will find that this boy means the boy who is standing very close to the person who is speaking. Likewise, these and those, they are plural form of these and that respectively. They take, these and those take plural verb and plural noun. The difference stands in between this and that. I would like to remind you again that these used for the nouns standing nearby, where those used for the noun standing at a distance, standing at far off the place. Examples: these boys are of my school. Those boys are of your schools. So students, just go through all the rules of determiners as I have stated. Rest of the uses will be taught to you in next video. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay at home.